Great. The camera's playing up. It's raining. This is going to be the worst dash cam review in the world. AKASO have asked me to do a review on one of the dash cams. They have sent me this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. They must be desperate for me to do a review on one of their dash cams. Anyhow, I'm going to keep this one for the 370Z, this one for the van, and later on I shall be giving away 2 of these to 2 of my subscribers. I will have some runners up for the van sticker. I'll throw a van sticker in them as well. But let's take this into the garden room and unbox it. What's inside it? Let's open the box. It's quite nice packaging. It's very sturdy. There's the open end of it. There you go. Right. So the first thing you will see is a quick reference guide which pops out at the top of the box. That should give me some ideas of how I'm going to fit this. So underneath that, obviously the mounting cup. It's like a suction mounting cup, so that I need to go on the window. I've got a power lead. It looks very longish, so it should be okay mark out. Another lead here, obviously for transferring the data over from your camera to your laptop or phone. It's also got some sticky pads in there as well, so I'll probably end up using that on my dashboard, I'd imagine. And we finally come to the camera. It's very small, as it should be. So I've got the front camera. It is 1080p. Does film at 60 frames per minute. If it's only set on the front camera, because it's a dual purpose camera, as I spin it around you can see there's a camera to face the back to see the interior of the car itself. Now if you've got that on as well, it goes down to 30 frames per minute, and it's also in black and white, so I've noticed. Right, let's go and fit this camera to Dawn's car. Inside the kit you do get this little lever, and it's just a case of peeling off that cover there and sliding the suction mount into position like so, and then you can place the emblem back onto the suction mount itself. So I'm just hiding my power lead to the camera inside the headlining, and the beauty about this tool, you can pull the trim off with it. So we'll just route this lead down to the bottom, just making sure it's not going to be impeding any airbags, and it's also good for putting the trim back. It's also assisting me trying to get the cable into tight spaces as well. There we go. And just down there I found a power port so this can plug into, so I don't have to go to my central console to plug it in. Now the only downside I would say about this camera is the mounting point. The adjustment bracket there is probably on the wrong side, to be honest with you. Could have done with being on this side, because obviously when you get the lead in it's a bit hard to reach. But I think that's just a small problem. Let's mount the camera. I'm going to mount it there. Right, that's locked into position. It's all set up. Right, we're good to go. So I'm going to leave it in the car for a couple of weeks, test it out, and we shall come back to it. There we go, as soon as I shut the door, the cameras come on automatically. That's even before I put the key in the ignition and start the car up. And it's fully on. Now I've had the camera in here for a couple of months now, just wanted to test it out. And this is probably the first proper chance of testing it out, because I don't really often drive this car. So I'm going to change. I'm going to leave the settings so it's the dual camera, so as I'm talking to that camera is picking up the sound, not this camera. So yes, not really an ideal day to be testing out a dash camera. It's raining, it's starting to become foggy because I'm going over High Hunsley into a village called South Cave. And you've probably seen the wiper blades flashing past you and plenty of rain droplets on the windscreen. But saying that, it is a bumpy road, so let's see what the footage is going to be like from the camera. And in a minute, we'll be delving into like a valley through a wooded forest area. So now I'm just going to enter the valley I just mentioned. That leads into South Cave. There's plenty of light down here, so the camera shouldn't auto contrast too badly. I don't know what's going to be like once we leave this wooded area. We'll start to approach the exit from it now. I mean, I'm not going to know what this footage is going to be like until I edit this video. I don't know if the sound's going to be any good. But if it is, I'll leave the sound in. And here we are. Oh God, I hope they're open. It should be. Yeah, they're open. Right, let's get some of this bedding sealant. I'll see you in a bit. So I've got my non-drying bedding sealants. And we can start. Just turn back on again, because obviously the shock sensors just been set off. Let's see how good this camera is on a night time. Now obviously it's going to be Dawn, my wife, driving the car, not myself, because she uses the car during the night time. And no doubt it's going to be raining again. I've not seen the footage yet, but no doubt it will be raining again, and she'll have the radio on, so I'm not going to sound off of the radio, but this is the footage of what it looks like during the night. So I've got two of these cameras to give away. If you want to enter the competition, all you have to do is type in below in the comment section hashtag Iveavan. Now when you do the hashtag Iveavan, that stands out blue. It's easy for me to pick out who's entered and who's not. There is only one rule: you have to be subscribed to the channel, because you will not know when that draw video will be out for the Dashcam. I will post in the community section part of YouTube the date when I'm going to release the video. Keep an eye out for that. Also keep an eye out for the draw video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.